Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th lecture in this Node.js online programming tutorial series from W3 grads. In this video, I will tell you guys about what is callback. Also, I will explain the concept of blocking and non-blocking calls with the help of examples. So, let's begin. Callback is an asynchronous equivalent for a function. A callback function is called at the completion of a given task. Node makes heavy use of callbacks. All the APIs of Node are written in such a way that they support callbacks. For example, a function to read a file may start reading file, and return the control to the execution environment immediately, so that the next instruction can be executed. Once file I/O is complete, it will call the callback function while passing the callback function the content of the file as a parameter. So there is no blocking, or wait for file I/O. This makes Node.js highly scalable, as it can process a high number of requests, without waiting for any function to return results. Now, let's understand this with the help of an example. Here, I will be demonstrating a blocking code example. So, I already have my Sublime text editor open. I will begin to write some text here as, W3 grads is an open platform, for the students, to learn, and showcase their talents, in front of others. Now, I am going to save the file in the test folder, and give it a name, input.txt. Again, I will go back to the text editor, and create another file. Then, I will save it in a test folder, in the C drive, and I'll give it a name, main.js. Then, I will start writing some code in this main.js file. So, I will write, var fs equal to require, parentheses, and fs in single quotes within the parentheses. You already know that, by using the require function, I am actually importing the fs module, which is useful for handling file system in Node.js. In the next line, I will declare another variable named data, and set it equal to fs.readFileSync method. Now, inside the parentheses, I will pass the file name input.txt, wrapped in single quotes. Through this statement, I am actually reading the file in a synchronous way, which means that, I am telling the Node.js to block other parallel process, and continue the current file reading process. Now, in the next line, I will write console.log, and include data.toString, inside the brackets. This statement will display the file content on the console. Now, in the next line, I will write, console.log, and I will pass a string, end of the program. Now, let's proceed to see the output. So, I will go to the search bar, and type cmd, and press enter. This will open my command prompt. Here, I will run my Node.js file. So, I will type, cd /, and press enter. Then, in the next line, I will type cd, space, test, and press enter. Now, I will type, node space, main.js, and press enter. You will see the content of input.txt file displayed on the console, along with, end of the program, in the next line. So, this is the example of a blocking code, which shows that the program blocks until it reads the file, and then proceeds to the end of the program. Now, let me give you another example, where I will be using the non-blocking code. I will go back to my Sublime text editor. Here, I will not make any changes in the input.txt file. However, I will certainly make a few changes in the existing main.js file. So, just below the require statement, I will delete the entire statement for reading the file, and displaying the file content. Now, I will write, fs.readFile method, and within the parentheses, I will give the file name, input.txt in single quotes. Then, I will put a comma, and define a function with two parameters, air and data. Then, I will go inside the function body, and include an if statement, and pass air parameter as a test input. Now, I will put two curly braces, and within them, I will write, return, console.error, and again put the air parameter inside the parentheses of error method. Now, outside the if statement block, I will add another statement, console.log, and put data.toString inside its brackets. Then, I will save the program, and my code is all set to be executed. So, I will again go to my command prompt, and type node, space, main.js, and press enter key. This time, you can see, end of the program being displayed at the start, and later, the content of the text file is displayed. So, this example clearly demonstrates the non-blocking call, because the program didn't wait for file reading, and proceeded to print end of the program, and at the same time, the code without blocking continued to read the file. Therefore, a blocking program executes very much in sequence. From the programming point of view, it is easier to implement the logic. However, non-blocking programs do not execute in sequence. In case a program needs to use any data to be processed, it should be kept within the same block to make it sequential execution. So, this is all about the concept of callback in Node.js. I hope you have understood the concept well. So, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more interesting uploads. Thank you for watching this video.